GasGas EX300 popular 2024 motorcycles. GasGas, renowned for its commitment to off-road performance, has set the off-road world abuzz with the release of the EX300 in 2024. Representing the pinnacle of enduro excellence, the EX300 combines raw power, precise handling, and rugged durability to deliver an unmatched riding experience for enthusiasts seeking adrenaline-fueled adventures. At the heart of the EX300 lies a high-performance two-stroke engine, delivering blistering acceleration and responsive power delivery to conquer any trail with confidence and ease. With its potent powerplant and lightweight chassis, the EX300 offers riders the agility and versatility needed to tackle technical terrain, steep inclines, and challenging obstacles with precision and control. What sets the EX300 apart is its unwavering commitment to performance and reliability. Engineered to excel in the most demanding off-road conditions, the EX300 features a robust frame, advanced suspension components, and premium quality materials throughout, ensuring that riders can push their limits with confidence and peace of mind. Enthusiasts and riders alike have been quick to praise the EX300 for its exceptional performance and versatility. With its responsive handling, aggressive power delivery, and championship-winning pedigree, the EX300 offers riders a thrilling and exhilarating riding experience that is unmatched in the world of enduro motorcycles. "The EX300 is an absolute game-changer," remarked one rider. "It's powerful, it's agile, and it's incredibly fun to ride. GasGas has really outdone themselves with this one." Sales figures reflect the EX300's growing popularity, with dealerships reporting strong demand and enthusiastic reception from riders of all skill levels. As more riders seek out the thrill of off-road adventure, the EX300 stands out as a top choice for those looking for a high-performance enduro bike that can handle anything the trail throws at it. As GasGas celebrates the success of the EX300 in 2024, the motorcycle industry takes note of its impact on the off-road scene. With its winning combination of power, precision, and reliability, the EX300 is poised to dominate the trails and inspire riders to push their limits and explore new adventures like never before.